Today we are inspecting homes because the environmental health promotion, we have series of thematic areas that we do. We have the house-to-house inspection, we have the market sanitation, we have the operations, and there are so many. Then today we want to test the house-to-house inspection and we want to see whether really people are going according to the bylaws of Accra Metropolitan Assembly 2017. Each house needs to register with an accredited waste collection company. Ya pesa ya hwa wa pomudin krata na hwan eduane ye hwan dia okọ asori nimpa no kọ asori e na wo hwe eduane no hefa na omu ye eduane no na ha pacho obesori ya pesa ye hwe ade wa hakakra.
So she's been ordered to just move to allow the officers access into this particular chamber, which what they use it for.
Madam, who baby ena mode niama mode town da kunu nyina esi. Yeah. Ena wutong eduane nti efi we nyina egu ha umpese obi di nsa beka na wuti efi no ho etong eduane eye se mi fa mi pe we ebusiasem enye ye dia ugu ha oniama so na sha ha ena umpese ene meji wo no shi ni bi ene mi kwanye fa ene eje wo no sania hatie a wo ye eduane wo sese no sania hatie ana ha na wo ye eduane nti sa aduane kra nya ade aye ba ba ma kwa yenua wa ha mame more he fa more e more he ne fa no enye efinumu se efinumu ne fa more no nti sa wo fa more wo de more esi finumu na wo yifi e de besi ha no what's the difference nti dokro no kra nya ade aye ba ma kwan wo beton wo ti ase nti ye be sesa nyama no nti wo sesa nipa ni ho moni no odisan ye friend is esi den Ibeje no mi kpanye fai Ibeje.
So madam, what are we going to do now?
What we are doing is you can just look at where she is cooking, where she even put the fermented dough. The whole place is very dirty, very nasty. You can see how the flies are hovering all around. She just goes there, prepares this and come and package it neatly and put it here. You come, you think it's as neat as the surrounding is, but it is not. We all saw what was happening inside there. So we are not going to allow her to sell this food. We want to do this so that people who are selling food to the public will ensure that the food that they sell for the public is made from a very neat and hygienic environment.
So this is another Kenkey vending spot that we are inspecting now.
Now they are and but at the moment, no, I feel so we see
every week we see.
We see weekly. Adia would the kata madam, meba. We see every week. We see. Adia would the kata Adriane so. And I will see no once. You shall send Adia neti a wodia kata flat so. Say you fin now sandia kata if you so. Naturally say you diffi anameboa. Enya mole na wo hona na ye den eye more ohun she baby a wo de emore e de asi anti e hila nti eye en se wa hu se enye nti se si aden na wo pese ye
se se mbetumi ati
nti ye cho se wa wo se ye betumi acho de a na because she baby a she wo shito
we need handcuff to handcuff her.
Shall we sit up?
See,
Apomudin krata wouldn't be. Only my dear friend of food poison.
So, in just a space of about a feet or so, we are having the dough that will be used to prepare the Kenkey, and then you're having rubbish also with flies hovering all around both of them. And this is where your favorite guy Kenkey really comes from.
Inti mame. Adia ya odi akata aduane so na ye. Nti odi 190 na odi adia ayefi e di akata aduane so. Ukra wo yare e na wo ye aduane wo ni ma de kra eye o apa wo di krata nti ante sa aduane we ye ma wo nton ye be peje aduane de akọ krata we wo bi people take this food away. We won't allow her to sell the food. Take this thing away. Take it out. Yeah, but I want to tell you no. But I go with the crack and document. When you know the day they are found document, should be a good. This is the pepper for the Kenkey and the salt. Look at pepper and you now the bad Udi Kenkey. Meboa. Nani a good one. What the bell wire then? Eddie aye den shito meboa wo de beko enya dokuna mu di bedi hwe baby a egu who is writing the notice? There are two, so we are serving her and then Auntie Sheila. So as at now we've consecrated this Kenkey because where she is preparing the Kenkey is very bad. She herself, she is sick and she doesn't even know the kind of sickness that she's suffering from.